So today we're in the garden and we're just tidying up the garden, just keeping the lawn down. But my lawnmower is broke and I bought my trusty lawnmower from the allotment down, and it's a pretty good mower, just a handheld mower, and this is a sovereign one. I think it come from Home Base, and when I bought it, it was on offer. It was around £20. It does a really good job. Really pleased, and I've been using this in the garden all summer. As you can see, it's got rather clogged up, but it doesn't collect up the grass, and I'm constantly getting told off for grass coming in the house. But I'll show you how this cuts. Good lawnmower, especially at the allotment. They come quite handy as there's no electric, but in the garden it leaves all the grass. Gives you a good workout. But it's quite good, so I'm really pleased, but I'm still getting in trouble for the grass, so I've made an investment. So this is a Flymo Hover Vac 280, and it is second hand, and I paid £20 for it on Marketplace. And it sucks up all the leaves and collects it all up as it goes, and it does quite a remarkable job. I'm quite pleased about how this does. Really light as well to get around. And it's actually giving quite a good cut. Quite a good cut. So this is the Flymo Hover Vac 280, and it has a 29cm cutting width, ideal for use in small to medium gardens, ergonomically designed for simple and easy use in your garden, collects and composts more grass for less emptying in the 20-litre grass box. And it's lightweight, allowing about 8.8 kilograms, allowing easy transportation and storage. And it also has the handle you push in and you can fold down, and it is very light to manoeuvre. It does have a lead, so we are a bit old-fashioned, but I must say I'm very, very impressed with this. And all this is going on my compost bin. The machine has one handle you press, which is okay if you're right-handed. If you want to use the other handle, it's a bit awkward. You have to press the middle button, press the trigger at the same time, then it will start. Also the bucket collects quite a bit of grass cutting. We have a handle at the back here to grab it when we pick it up, and it's quite good. The only thing I do find is that the fans do get clogged up with a bit of the grass, so removal of the grass from inside here does help. But really, really pleased. Really pleased. That certainly had one of the best cuts that the garden has ever had. Oh, ice cream van's coming. So, have you ever tried a Flymo? Really impressed with that. And for what I paid, bargain. And I'm really impressed the way it's cleaned that garden and tidied up, and hopefully sucked up all the leaves so I don't get into trouble for bringing cut grass in the house. Sorry love. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know, do you use Flymos? And it'd be interesting to find out about the robotic Flymos and how they work. I'm really interested. Getting one of those for the garden, that would be wonderful. Save me the effort of doing it. But at the moment I've got my trusty friend here. We better finish the rest of the garden. So cheers for now.